Hello everyone, I'm Apurva Pandita and welcome to LiveLaw. In a recent ruling, the Kerala High Court emphasized the importance of considering students' loan applications for education loans with a compassionate mindset. The court stated that rejecting a student's loan application solely based on a low credit score from the Credit Information Bureau India Limited, that is CIBIL, was not justified. For those of you who don't know, CIBIL is a credit information company in India that collects and maintains credit-related information of individuals and businesses. The CIBIL score is a number that shows how good a person's credit history is. Normally, if someone has a low CIBIL score, it can be hard for them to get a loan. However, in the case of education loans, this ruling says that even if a student has a low CIBIL score, they still have a chance to get the loan. Justice P.V. Kunhikrishnan highlighted the significant role students play in shaping the future of their nation and stressed the need for a humanitarian approach when dealing with their loan requests. It held that denying education loans to deserving students due to a low CIBIL score was not appropriate. The petitioner in this case was a student who had previously taken 2 loans. One of the loans had an outstanding amount of Rs 16,667, while the other loan had been written off by the bank. As a result, the petitioner's CIBIL score was adversely affected. The petitioner's counsel argued that the immediate receipt of the loan amount was crucial for the petitioner's well-being. They also cited a previous court decision that emphasized the importance of assessing the student's repayment capacity after completing their education, rather than relying solely on the credit score of the student's parents. On the other hand, the respondent's counsel contended that granting an interim order in favor of the petitioner would contradict the guidelines set by the Indian Banks Association and the Reserve Bank of India. They further argued that the Credit Information Companies Act 2005, the Credit Information Companies Rule 2006, and the circulars issued by the State Bank of India prohibited loan disbursement in situations similar to the petitioner's case. Although after considering the facts of the case, including the petitioner's job offer in Oman, the court concluded that it would be fair to grant relief to the petitioner. The court believed that the balance of convenience favored the petitioner and that rejecting the education loan application solely based on the low CIBIL score was unwarranted. The court emphasized that while banks may adhere to the technicalities, a court of law cannot overlook the ground realities. And consequently, the court directed the respondents to immediately disburse the amount of Rs 4,07,200 to the petitioner's college. This was all for today's video. We really hope that you like our content, and if you do, then do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And for more legal updates, keep watching LiveLaw.